The next thing you're going to do is sign in on your laptop. And you're going to find that meeting that we just set up. Let's see if we can find it. Okay, so there it is. I just set this one up as 8:50 to 10:03. You want to click edit. That is incorrect. Okay, you want to click on it, sorry. And you want to scroll down. I'm just going to make sure that it is automatically saving. I feel like that would be under edit. Hold on. The invite link. You want to copy the invite link by highlighting and copying. Now you're going to go to your Block A course. In my case, that would be Principles of Engineering. I already have mine posted for the real one, but I'm going to show you how you would do it. Like for any class, you would hit Add Materials, link, paste that link, and call it Block A Zoom. I would have it open a different window. When you come to start your Zoom, mine went down here, you can click, I like to click and drag up personally. When you open this, I would open it from your laptop, and I'm hoping it will record to your laptop if we set everything up right. I'm just going to do a mock meeting. I pretend we're actually having one right now. And you can see it is recording. I could join from my iPad by going to, I'm on my iPad right now. I'm going to go to this exact same class, and I'm going to join on my iPad, just so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to mute my iPad though. Okay, and you can see that there I am on my iPad as well. Not that that's important, but I just want you to see like you can interact on both, but you really want to start it from your laptop so it records. I'm going to end it, and because it's recording, it is going to save, let's use the word, it's going to save somewhere. I just kind of let mine go. I don't know where you have yours saving to. Mine always goes to like Documents and Zoom. And this one's going to be at the very bottom usually. Here it is. See how it says Block A? And if you are interested, all you really need to do is take this link. What I would personally do is go in there and just take this Zoom. I would not take the whole folder, but it really doesn't matter. There's your Zoom from that class. I would, you're going to need to create a shortcut. Well, we can go from there, but that's where your recording is going to be. If you want to access your recording, you can definitely do that. You can even take this and put it somewhere in your Google Drive for your, so if you like cut this and like you're in your Google Drive, and let's say you have a folder in your Google Drive. I don't, but let's say I put mine on YouTube, but let's say you have a folder called Zoom Block A. You can just paste that in there. It has a date associated with it, and then you can link to this folder on your Schoology page, and then your kids can just access your Zoom meetings.